Most affiliate marketers find it very difficult to join Amazon affiliate. And in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how you can make money on Amazon affiliate and earn a profit as an affiliate marketer. So without wasting much of your time, my name is Richmond and welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, dropshipping and drop service, and anything related to making money online. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video, YouTube will send you a notification instantly, guys. So without further ado, let's dive into today's method. So what is affiliate marketing? When you talk of affiliate marketing, is the process of promoting other people's product and you earn a commission from that. So when you get to the dashboard of Amazon, all you need to do is to scroll to the bottom side where is and bottom side and under Amazon payment products, you can see that go get to know us. You can see that we have a lot of things over there. Make money with us. You can see this. So when you get to this point, all you need to do is to go to make money with us and hit on what it says become an affiliate. And when you hit on that, it's going to load a new dashboard for you to sign up as an affiliate and make money from that. So you can read through it and get to know what you want to do. So you can see join tens of thousands of creators, publishers and bloggers who are earning with Amazon Associates program. And you can see over here it says share millions of products with your audience. We have customized linking and tool for a large publishers and individual bloggers and social media influencers, and you can see earn up to 10% in associate commission from qualifying purchases and programs. Our competitive conversion rates help maximize earnings. So you can see from that they are willing to pay you as an affiliate straight from that. So all you need to do is to recommend product, and all you need to do is to hit on sign up and to become Amazon affiliate. So when you hit on sign up process, all you need to do is to go to the section where it says create your Amazon account. And when you see this, all you need to do is to type in your first name. So you choose your first name and you choose your full name. Sorry, you type in your full name over here. You type in your valid email address over here, and you retype your password and confirm your password over here. That's why I hit on create Amazon account. So they are going to use these criteria to create your Amazon associate or affiliate account from that. So from that, all you need to do is to head on to the section where it says sign in, and you are going to sign in straight to your account. And so you can see from this place that it says I should sign in. So I hit on that. So all you need to do is to type in your captcha that you see over here. So I see 3NM Q63 3NM Q63. That's what I see over there. So I'll hit on sign in, and it's going to sign me in straight into my account. So you can see over here that the characters that was given in a challenge, enter the characters. So let me enter it again. So if you can't see it, you can type hit on what it says see a new challenge or hear the challenge. So I'll hit on what it says see a new challenge, or I'll type in what I see from that place. 5DS7. So boom, you can see that my account has been signed in straightforward. So all you need to do is to type in your account information, and you can see that my account information is being indicated over here. So yours will be different because we are not from the same location. Yours will be different from mine. So all you need to do is if you see the account details here is correct, you can hit on next, and it's going to take you straight to another place where it says your website. So when it says your website, all you need to do is to if you have a website, you can type in that, or you can add your YouTube handles, or wherever you're going to promote your account, or you're going to promote the product. You can add that to this place where it says website or blog. So you can type in any blog, and you can move forward to where it says profile. So let me type in, because I have a website, I will type in my website address. Yours, I believe yours will be different from mine. Oh, sorry, I forgot to bring it here. And I'll hit on add to add my website. So I'll hit on add to see whether it's going to add my website. So, okay, so let me remove the www from there, and let me check whether this thing is going to allow me. So list the top level website and mobile apps which you plan to display banners, widgets, and other art from Amazon Associate. You need to add at least one website over there. So let me cut from this place, and okay, so you can see I've added a new my website over here, and from there I believe now. And as for mobile app, I don't have any mobile app, so what I need to do is to hit on next, and you can see, are you the are any traffic source listed above directed from primary children under 13? So you can say no and hit on confirm, and they're going to confirm that. So what is your preferred associate store ID? So all you need to do is to move back to Amazon and get your store ID. So you can type in all. As for the store ID, I believe, okay, so you can type in your username. So let me type in my nickname over here. So that's what they are recommending from us, and tell us about your the content you create. So I create. So you can see over here, this is what the simplest one that I've entered over here. So you can see which of the following best describe your content. So you can see comparison, shop engine, or search engine. Which of the following best describe your content? So content and niche website. You can select any of that. So mine is a blog website, and what where do you hear about us? So you can type in a blog post or anything. So right after that, all you need to do is to type in what you see over here, this captcha over here, which is HYF8FZ. So right after that, all you need to do is to agree to the terms, because whether you like it or not, you need to agree and hit on finish. So boom guys, you can see that it says congrats, my name is written over here, and you can see my associate ID over here, and you can see enter your payment now. And right now, all I need to do, I can skip this one and do it later. So I'll hit on later, because I don't want things to be complicated over here. So you can see my dashboard is 0000. So in the part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote this thing. So stick with me and don't forget to subscribe to Online Hustlers Academy. And in the part 2 of this video, as how to promote or how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon, I will show you the step-by-step process how you can promote and get clicks and conversions on your dashboard. So until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys, and comment down your questions. I'll be there to answer you right after I receive them. So don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now. Stay safe, and then see you my next video. Bye bye guys.